guys, what's up? Welcome to Super Style. This is Prachi, and today I want to talk about something which is slightly different from what I usually talk about on my channel. Usually talk about beauty, skincare, cosmetics, this, that, all things awesome. But what about your health, guys? What about the health? This year, one of the biggest changes I have made in my lifestyle, because of the whole COVID scenario, it's been such a strange year. I have realized that taking care of the health is so important. I have always been slightly health conscious, but not too much. But taking care of your health, your body is paramount. Like whatever I talk about in today's video, guys, whatever I talk about in today's video, the most important thing I really want, I just want to communicate this, use this platform, use this opportunity to tell you all this, that your body is where you live in, right? Like I was discussing this with my husband the other day. We take care of our houses, we beautify our houses, we make so much effort, spend so much money in everything. But you first live in your body and then you live in your house. But are we really taking that much care of our bodies? Usually when we fall sick, we take some medicines and then we just go back to our regular ways, taking things for granted, which is not good. Ideally, a human being should be consuming, and this is a proven fact, okay? It's a proven fact, it's a proven thing. Ideally, a human being should be consuming 3 to 5 servings of green vegetables every single day. Imagine, I barely consume 5 servings of green vegetables in a week. That's the delta, that's the difference of what I should be having and what I shouldn't be having. So I recently picked up a product which has been such a game changer, and that's what I want to talk about today. So this is the Kapiva Green Superfoods. So this is the Kapiva plant, it's a plant-based product, okay? So as you can see, this is a Kapiva plant-based nutrition green superfood, all-in-one nutrition, and it contains a whole lot of amazing superfoods, amazing ingredients like moringa, spirulina, wheatgrass, spinach, amla, lemongrass. And honestly, how many of these do you really consume in a week? Chances are that you don't consume a lot of this every single week, right? Now, talking about the brand Kapiva, like since I've never talked about it before, let me tell you, Kapiva, you might have actually already seen Kapiva around. It's all over social media, on so many e-commerce websites. They also have a website of their own, by the way. I'll put the link for that along with 20% off code in the description box below, because I use that code and I get 20% off, so why not? They have a whole range of health and wellness products. Like the other day, I went for grocery shopping. I saw that they have all these juices also, so I've picked up 2 juices which I'll not review today because I have not tried those out, but this is something which I have actually been consuming. My husband has also been consuming, and we have seen such amazing improvement in our health. So let me show you the nutritional information, this label over here. If you want to pause the video and check it out, you can actually see it for yourself. So it contains all of these amazing vitamins, minerals, amazing stuff. It contains things like vitamin A, niacin, folic acid, vitamin B12, which a lot of people these days have a deficiency of, then all these other vitamins, vitamin D again. I think most people in our generation, and I think for the next generation, it's going to be even more true, because you don't just spend enough time in the sunlight, right? So vitamin D deficiency is so common. Did you know that if you're consuming a lot of calcium, but if you're not consuming vitamin D, your body will not absorb all that calcium. So just giving example of how important vitamins are for your body, and we don't have enough of it because we're not consuming the right things. And going to the minerals, again, I'll just randomly read out a few of these. It contains calcium, it contains iron. Iron especially is very important for women. Copper, zinc, iodine, and of course all these other things that you can just pause the video and check this out. So it contains all of this nutrition in amazing quantity, and the best thing is that it is very, very low in calories. So consuming this is very simple. You just have to take 2 scoops, which is about 20 grams of this in a glass of water, and just mix it up. Just mix it up and then drink it up, and it can be consumed by both men and women, so that's like amazing. Personally, this is how I have been using it, and Gaurav has been using it. You can use it anytime, you can consume it anytime you want, like in between meals when you're craving for a snack, for an unhealthy snack, just take this, so your body gets all the nutrition, and instead of an unhealthy snack, you're having this. Personally, for us, we usually have it during dinner time. Instead of dinner, we just have it as a meal replacement, because it works as a wonderful meal replacement. So as you know, for weight loss, it's very important to create a calorie deficit, which means that you're consuming less calories and using up more calories. So I would never ever recommend unhealthy dieting where people are going hungry, starving, denying themselves of nutrition. Don't do that. What I am doing, what Gaurav is also doing on most of the days, At night, instead of having a regular dinner like with rice and all the carbs and all that unhealthy stuff, we'll just have a glass of this. It makes you feel full, you go off to sleep, then you don't feel hungry at all, and that's it. In the morning, you just carry on with your normal breakfast and everything. So basically, instead of dinner, we're just having this, which means more nutrition, less calories, and also just skipping the dinner and just giving your body that rest at night. So that is really, really good, and it is so amazing. Let me actually show this to you again. Let me just show this to you, like the product here. So as you see, the product is 100% natural. The ingredients are so clean. It does not contain any artificial colors, any added sugar, any artificial flavors, and yes, it has been cruelty free and lab tested and all of those amazing things. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So when you're having it also, you will feel that yes, it's a very raw, clean drink. It's very raw, very clean. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing, and honestly guys, the impact on my health has been remarkable. It's been remarkable because we have been staying so much at home. We're not even going to the gym, and I haven't really put on a lot of weight. I have put on a little bit of weight. I don't know if you can see it or not on camera, but I have not really put on the kind of weight I would have ideally put on by not going to the gym, right? And immunity wise also, again, you might have noticed in the last few months there has been no instance of me having cough cold. If you go back to my last year's videos, I keep having cough and cold every 2-3 months. So I have not had any cough cold. My immunity has actually improved. My stamina has improved. Usually at night I would just go to bed just like tired after all the jharu, pocha and everything that you do, especially during the COVID times. We all have been doing that. By the end of the day at night, I would just wait. I could not just, I mean, okay, what am I saying? I'm saying the same thing in two different ways. I'm confusing myself. At night, I would just go and crash on my bed. Like my whole body would just crash. But with time, I have noticed that even at night, I have enough stamina to, just organize my house, feed my dog, maybe play with her a little bit. Because for some reason, my dog, she just gets really active at night. She wants to play at night. So, I have time and I have energy. Not time though I have, but I have the energy and the stamina to do all those things. So it also improves the quality of your life when you feel that way. When your health is better, when you have more energy, more stamina, it's just better. So yeah, I just thought I'll just take this opportunity. Like we talk about all these other things, skincare, hair care, which is nice, which is fun. But what about your body? What about your health? So I just thought I'll talk to you guys about all this because I'm really impressed with what this product has done to my health. When we started consuming this, I was a bit concerned about how my body will digest it. But it also contains fiber. So for instance, most multivitamins, most similar kind of supplements, they don't contain fiber. It also contains fiber, so that improves the digestion. It helps the digestion. It's also more filling, which makes it a meal in itself, and you get all-round nutrition. You get a meal replacement, you get all-round nutrition, everything with just a glass of this, and it's just so convenient and so awesome, right? So anyways, I have talked about this enough. I think I'm just making this video really, really long today. But I guess that's what happens when you're talking about something that you really like, right? I'll put the link, all the details in the description box below. If you have checked out any products from Kapiva before, let me know in the comment section and how your experience has been, and I would love to know what your experience has been, because this is the only product I have tried so far. I have those two juices lying with me in the kitchen cupboard, but I haven't tried them out yet. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you found it useful and helpful, and if it encourages you to take better care of your health, I really hope it does. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.